hop aboard. The number train is rolling forward. Let's count and sing all in line. Wheels go spin and whistles blow. Through the meadows off we go. Rainbow tracks begin to shine. Here comes one red, proud and bright, leading the cars with a cheerful light. Let's count together, hold on tight. Two waves high, all orange and round, spinning circles, touching the ground. Laughter and joy in every sound. Three rolls in with a giggly spin, twirling fast with a happy grin. Hop aboard, the fun begins. All aboard the number train, through the sunshine, through the rain. Counting makes us laugh again. Four in green plays peekaboo, hiding quick, then saying boo. Five claps loud, I'll cheer with you. Steam puffs out, the bell goes ding. Count with us, it's our favorite thing. Every number loves to sing. Six hums soft with dreamy eyes, watching clouds float through the skies. Counting stars is such a prize. Seven zips with purple speed, zooming forward full of glee. Follow me, we'll lead the lead. Through the tunnels, up the hill, every number's moving still. Sparkles shine and engines thrill. Kids are laughing, singing loud. Rainbow steam forms shapes of cloud. Count with joy, make Tilly proud. Eight flips high, pink and bright, rolling loops, what a sight. Let's dance through the day